Hey Peppy babes, welcome back. It's Marla Chris. I know you guys probably saw me do this super pretty, subtle sheer glitter ombre, but just like all good things in life, it's gotta come to an end. So I'm gonna show you guys today how I do my removal. And I'm going to be using this from Peppi Gel's website. It's a soak off container and it works so well. So let me show you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take my buffing block and I'm just going to remove the shine off of my finished mani, and this will allow the acetone to penetrate all layers of your dip powder. So I'm going to go ahead and buff off the shine from all my nails, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I've gotten all the shine off of my nails, and let me show you what I've got. I have filled halfway of this container with some super hot water. I think I microwave water for about a minute. And now I'm going to clip the top back on, and I'm going to fill these little finger indentations with some 100% acetone. I like Onyx, the blue one. I don't know if it's very much different than other 100% acetone. It's just my personal preference. So I'm going to fill them all up, and I'm going to put my hand directly into this container. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'm going to wait about 10 minutes, and I will be right back. So it's been 10 minutes, and this is what my nails look like after soaking off, and they are totally clean. All the product is gone, and now I'm ready to prep for my next mani. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to take my cuticle pusher, which you can get on Peppi's website, and I'm just ever so gently going to push back all of my cuticles and make sure there's no dead cuticle on my nail plate. I'm gonna buff over my nails here in a second, but you just wanna get all your cuticles back because you want as much real estate on your nails for when you do a mani as possible. And I feel like pushing your cuticles back a little bit, you don't want to be rough or aggressive, just ever so gently. It elongates your nail bed a little bit and gives you a little bit more nail to work with when you do your mani. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then I'm going to grab my buffing block. And what I'm going to do with the buffing block, this is where I'm going to remove any dead cuticle from around the cuticle area, ever so gently. And then I'm going to go over the entire nail and just remove any shine from my natural nail. This will enable the product to adhere better to your nail and help your product stay on a little bit longer. It also prevents lifting and prevents moisture from getting underneath your dip powder, which can cause what we know as the greenies, which is gross and nobody wants it. So I'm gonna go ahead and buff off all my nails, and I'll be right back. So my last step in prep is to dehydrate, and I'm just going to take some alcohol, spray it on a paper towel, and give my nails a wipe down. That'll dehydrate my nail, and then I'll be completely ready for my next set. So I hope you guys found this helpful, and I will see you guys in my next vid. Love you, bye.